basic Christian chords, or chords to most songs. You could, if you know these chords, you could play almost any song. G. G is one of the most basic chords you could learn. Let's start from the beginning. You use your middle finger, tap string, 3rd fret. These are frets, and so it would be a 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, 3rd fret, and then your pointing finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, like this. And then let's go to your pinky, and that goes on the last string with a high E, 3rd string, 3rd fret, the same as your middle finger, and this goes right above it on the 2nd string from the bottom, right above it, like that. And so you get a G, you just strum it. A C is really simple. All you gotta do is get your pointing finger, drop it down 1 string, and your middle finger, drop it down 1 string. That's a C, or C add 9. That's a simple chord we use. And then E minor. It's really simple. What you just gotta do is take this finger, go back up 1 string, take this finger, go down 1 string, and over to the 2nd fret. So it'll be something like this. Like that. Okay. It's E minor. And then D. If you just move all your fingers, keep this finger right here. This I forgot what the finger's called, but keep it there, so that finger could guide you. Okay, now take your middle finger, take it all the way down to the bottom string on the 2nd fret, like this, and take your pointing finger on the 3rd string from the bottom, the G string, so it'll be on the 2nd fret. So you'll get a sound that sounds something like this. You won't use your pinky at all, so G, C, remember just drop E, E minor, and then D. So you could play a simple song